So you guys must have seen these kind of educational animated skeleton videos. Like, take a look at this channel. This channel has only uploaded like 12 videos and has already gained like around 70,000 subscribers. And like, take a look at the number of the video. It's so less, it's literally ending right over here. So today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go ahead and, create these videos without needing to do any complex prompts and like creating images. Like, you can create these videos with just one prompt with the help of text to video generation. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, you need to go to ChatGPT, and over here, you need to type in your input prompts. So yeah, for that, I have ready-made prompt for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just include that down in the description so that you can go ahead and create your own videos as well very easily. So this prompt basically says, I want you to generate a complete final production ready output for a YouTube short using Google Veo 3 text to video. This is a strict execution task, do not deviate. So where we have all like what we need in the video are like visual requirements, structure rules, and all the scene content requirements. So here are all the possible things that you will be needing in order to generate these videos. So yeah, simply you need to go ahead and copy this whole prompt, come to ChatGPT and paste it right over here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate. And yeah, you're gonna realize ChatGPT is gonna start creating the prompt for you like very easily. And we already basically described the scenes over here. If you want, you can go ahead and just edit that, like if you have any more scenes, or you can go ahead and edit your title as well, like any title of your own choice, and it's gonna make that particular skeleton type videos for you. So yeah, so once all of our scenes are done, so in total there are 8 scenes, and then we have also the voiceover script for that as well. So that's crazy. With just one prompt, your scenes are ready and your voiceover is ready. Just you have to do a little bit of editing, that's all. And yep, from here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and copy my first prompt, come to Google Veo 3 inside of Flow AI. You need to make sure you are in the video section, text to video is selected, your aspect ratio is in portrait, outputs per prompt are 2, and then need to go ahead and start creating right away. All right, so within just few seconds, Google Veo 3 is going to generate you with this kind of video. Like, take a look at this. So yeah, that looks good. Like, let's take a look at the second generation. Yeah, that's good. So yeah, from here, whatever clip you like, you're just gonna go ahead and click on this add to scene, because we want to go ahead and have the same character consistency, the same styles consistency, and we need to go ahead and just extend the scenes more and more. So I'm gonna click on add to scene, and then Google Veo 3 is gonna jump to scene builder right over here in this interface. And then from here, it's really easy. You need to go ahead and again drag this to the very end, click on plus option. You need to make sure that we select jump to, okay, because our second scene would be different from the previous one. And from here, simply need to go ahead and select your second prompt, come back to Google Veo 3, paste it right over here, and then click on generate. Okay, and just like that, when this scene will be completed, you're gonna do the same. Drag this cursor to the last one, click the plus option, and just add more and more scenes, like I have done in this. You guys can see these were of my same prompt. So from here, we were able to get like around 8 scenes in total. And from here, once it's done, you're gonna go ahead and simply click on download button right over here, and it's gonna start exporting your video in no time, you guys. Okay. All right, so once your video is exported, so the next thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and simply create your text to speech, like your voice over script that is there in the skeleton like videos. Okay, so yeah, we already got the script from our prompt thanks to our detailed prompting. So I'm gonna go ahead and simply copy this prompt, come to ElevenLabs, and we're gonna go ahead and simply paste it right over here. And then you need to go ahead and select any voice of your choosing. I'm gonna go ahead and select this Adam once. I really love this one. I'm gonna click on that. And once your voice is selected, you need to simply click on generate speech, you guys. Okay. All right, so this is how it turned out.
What happens if you do push-ups for 50 days? Day 1. Your muscles wake up and start firing.
Yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna simply go ahead and download this. All right, so after your video is downloaded and your voiceover is downloaded, you need to go ahead and drag everything into your video editor. I'm using Filmora in this case. I'm gonna simply drag and drop all of this in my timeline. As you guys can see, I have edited, the voiceover. I basically cuts the gaps so that it looks, more and more spontaneous and like a YouTube short type, okay? And then I have also made the clip into 2x so that it looks more and more engaging. And this is how you need to go ahead and do like little bit of editing, not anything crazy. And once everything is done, simply need to go ahead and export your video. And from here, what we need to do is we need to do our last thing, which is generating captions with CapCut. All right, so for that, I'm gonna go to CapCut, just import my same video that we exported from Filmora. And from here, I'm gonna go ahead and go to this captions option, click on auto captions, which is totally free in CapCut Online. Mind you, you're gonna do that in CapCut PC. It's gonna ask you for the subscription, but in CapCut Online, auto generation is completely free, at least for your first 2-3 tries. All right, so our captions are done, so we're gonna go ahead and edit our captions as well. Like, let's just go ahead and select any preset that is best. Yeah, I think these captions are looking good and it's free. I'm gonna simply go ahead and just drag those in the middle so that it looks more and more engaging. All right, that looks good. And once everything is done, simply need to go ahead and export your video. Click on download, click export, and yeah, this is how at the end your video is gonna look like.
What happens if you do push-ups for 50 days? Day 1, your muscles wake up and start firing. Days 2 and 3, soreness hits, but strength begins. By day 5, your brain connects better with your muscles. Day 10, your chest and arms feel noticeably stronger. Day 20, posture improves and endurance kicks in. Day 30, your upper body looks more defined. Day 40, control, power, confidence. Day 50, same body, completely upgraded.
So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any question, any suggestion, feel free to drop that down in the description. I'll make sure to assist you in that. And yeah, that's it from my side. Take care. Bye-bye.